In this video, we'll be taking you through the step-by-step installation of the Mira Select, which has been specifically designed for inclusive use. In new installations, it's recommended that the installation height for the valve is 1050 mm from the shower tray. 32 mm holes are required to accommodate pipe concealing plates. First, determine the route for the supply pipes and use the template provided to mark the positions of the pipes and fixing holes. Fit the supply pipework. Inlet pipes must extend 20 mm from the finished wall surface and be square to the wall. Cutting the pipe to size is best done with a pipe slice, taking care that all burrs are removed to prevent damage to seals. If retrofitting onto existing pipework, the inlets can be adjusted between 110 and 155 mm pipe centers. The inlets can also be adjusted to accommodate a range of pipe lengths and olive positions, allowing the existing nut and olive to be used to make a watertight connection to the valve. Please refer to the installation guide for instructions. Drill the 4 fixing holes for the backplate using a 6 mm drill bit. All 4 fixing points are required to fit the valve to the wall. Please use the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Water supplies should be flushed before fitting the valve. This prevents debris from blocking the filters or corrosive fluxes causing damage to the valve mechanism or seals. Seal the concealing plates with silicone sealant to prevent water ingress back into the fabric of the wall. Place the concealing plates over the pipework and secure to the wall surface. Place the compression nuts and olives over the pipes. Place the mixing valve over the inlet pipes. Finger tighten both the compression nuts. Then, fix the mixing valve to the wall using the wall screws and wall plugs provided. Retighten the compression nuts using a suitable spanner while supporting the elbow with a 6 mm hex key. Check level and adjust if needed. Check for leaks. Filters are integrated into the valve and can be accessed for cleaning or replacements using the 6 mm hex key. Ensure the shroud is the correct way up and drive features match. Rotate the temperature handle slightly to align if there is any resistance. The shroud should clip into place. Pull the shroud gently to ensure it's securely fixed. Should the hot and cold supplies be reversed for any reason, the cartridge can be rotated to accommodate without the need to adjust the pipework. Isolate the water supplies and turn the product on to relieve any trapped pressure. Then, loosen the 4 valve screws and remove the mixing valve from the body. The valve is color-coded, blue for cold and red for hot. Rotate the valve 180 degrees and insert it into the valve body. Push firmly and retighten the 4 valve screws to secure the mixing valve in place. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Turn the temperature handle anti-clockwise until it stops and test that the temperature of the water from the shower outlet is hot enough. If not, remove the handle using a 3 mm hex key. Remove and rotate the stop ring to the required position. One spline is approximately 1 degree C, clockwise for warmer. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Hold the slide rail assembly against the wall in the desired position. Mark the positions of the top and bottom fixing holes using the slide rail brackets as a template. Mark the 2 fixing hole locations, ensuring the holes are vertically aligned. For new installations, we recommend hole centers of 630 mm. The wall can then be drilled. Insert the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Install the mounting brackets with the retaining clip facing up on the upper bracket and down on the lower bracket. Check for vertical alignment. and tighten using the 2 provided fixing screws. Slide the smaller of the 2 holes in the hose retaining ring over the slide bar. Press the buttons on both sides of the clamp bracket and install the clamp bracket onto the slide bar. Assemble the slide bar supports to the slide bar with the securing holes matching the wall fixing. Adjust the slide bar supports to the required spacing and push the slide bar supports onto the wall fixings until they click. Push the slide bar ends into the open ends of the slide bar. Screw the hose onto the handset and tighten to ensure a watertight seal. Take care to feed the hose through the hose retaining ring to comply with water regulations. Mira Select is pre-fitted with an 11 litres per minute flow regulator to reduce water usage. Refer to the installation guide for more information. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Your Mira Select is now ready for use.